This isn't my look. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, in case you didn't know, and by popular demand, today I will be showing you how I cut and style my bangs in a cottagecore way. Before I start this tutorial, I would really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoy it. Okay, let's go. You will need some clips, some thinning shears, a spray bottle of water, and a comb. First, we want to separate out our bangs and push back the rest of our hair. Then I separate out a middle section, and this is where I cut a bit below where I want my bangs to be. I say a bit below because that gives us some room for mistakes. The reason that I use thinning shears is because it gives a less blunt appearance, but you do kind of need to drop at it, so just be aware of that. Going in with a comb, I comb my bangs at an angle and connect the middle part where I've just cut to the sides. I like to cut my bangs at an angle like this because I think it gives you a bit more of the curtain style bangs rather than just a straight across blunt bang. Throughout this process, I re-examine my bangs and see if there are any pieces that are sticking out too far or down too long, and I cut those away. Then I repeat the same middle to side matching cut on the other side. Then I'll check for any staircasing effects and try and smooth that out again with my comb at a slight angle. Okay, now for the styling. First, we want to grab our fringe and get it a little wet with the spray bottle. You want it to be damp but not soaking wet. This will allow for a faster drying time. Comb it out and then grab a sponge roller. I use a larger size so that it matches the rest of my waves. Then I wrap my hair around the sponge roller and let it dry. You want to make sure that you get the ends underneath the rest of your hair or else they will stick out. And then the last thing I do is just make sure that the bar is not touching the rest of my hair because that will leave an indent in there. Now we wait. Once you have waited a while, you can go ahead and take out the curl and hope for the best. First, you'll end up with some fun micro bangs, which, I mean, you could leave them like this, no judgment here. But I go ahead and sort of shake them out a little bit, and then I grab a comb and sort of just comb through and then mess them up so they're not quite as perfect looking. I don't know. This is just how I do it. I seem to have missed a couple hairs, but that's okay. I'll just let you know that I do not use any hairspray when I do this method. That being said, my hair is naturally wavy, so it does hold a curl from a heatless curl really well. It sort of just trains it to go the right direction, so that helps. Obviously, I am not a professional hairstylist, so please take this tutorial with a grain of salt. I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm just doing what works best for me, and I hope that it does help some of you if you want a similar look. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Please take a moment to subscribe if you can. Bye.